Hello and welcome back to your own channel, Teen's Voice. Today we talk about how social media platforms are widening the invisible gap between young people and their parents. In the rapidly evolving landscape of 2026, where artificial intelligence permeates every facet of daily life, from personalized learning algorithms to immersive virtual social worlds, parent-teen communication finds itself at a critical crossroads marked by profound breakdowns fueled by technology gaps, entrenched trust issues, and the urgent need to rebuild bridges that once seemed unbreakable. As teens navigate a digital ecosystem dominated by AI chatbots, hyper-personalized social feeds, and augmented reality experiences that older generations can scarcely comprehend, parents often feel like digital immigrants in a native land of their children's making, leading to frustration, miscommunication, and emotional distance that echoes through family homes worldwide. Technology gaps manifest not merely as differences in gadget proficiency, but as fundamental divides in worldview and interaction styles. While parents might recall face-to-face conversations around the dinner table or handwritten notes as primary modes of connection, teens in 2026 thrive in ephemeral Snapchat streaks, meme-laden group chats laced with rapidly evolving slang and emojis whose contextual meanings shift by the hour, and interactions with AI companions that offer non-judgmental advice on everything from homework to heartbreak. This creates a symbolic and linguistic barrier where a parent's innocent inquiry about what's happening online is perceived as intrusive surveillance, prompting teens to retreat further into private digital realms, exacerbating the silence that many counselors now describe as a defensive reclamation of autonomy in relationships that feel emotionally unsafe. Statistics from recent surveys paint a sobering picture, with teens averaging 4 to 8 hours of daily screen time, excluding schoolwork, and over half of parents expressing fears of addiction, reduced attention spans, disrupted sleep, and weakened in-person social skills. The physical and emotional toll is undeniable. Social media and excessive screen exposure rank among the top health concerns for children in parental polls, with many millennial and Gen Z parents feeling disconnected from their kids due to technology's relentless pull. AI tools add another layer. While 64% of teens report using chatbots, parents often underestimate this figure by significant margins, and only about half engage in conversations about their responsible use, widening the knowledge and trust chasm. Trust issues deepen when monitoring apps and location trackers, intended as protective measures, are interpreted as digital spying, fostering resentment rather than openness. Parents, grappling with their own anxieties about online predators, misinformation, privacy breaches, and the mental health impacts of constant comparison, default to restrictive rules or interrogative questioning that feels more like cross-examination than genuine curiosity. Teens, seeking independence amid identity formation and peer pressures amplified by algorithmic feeds, respond with vagueness, secrecy, or outright withdrawal, creating a vicious cycle where communication breakdowns lead to isolation, heightened anxiety, and even bidirectional links between emotional problems and increased screen reliance as a coping mechanism. In this environment, dinner tables fall silent as notifications ping and eyes remain glued to personalized content. Family rituals erode under the weight of individual screens, and opportunities for empathetic dialogue diminish, replaced by parallel digital lives that rarely intersect meaningfully. The generational digital communication gap, encompassing not just tools but symbols, slang, memes, and cultural references, prevents parents from recognizing warning signs in their teens' online behavior, missing chances for timely guidance and allowing mistrust to flourish as interest is misconstrued as control. Yet, amid these challenges lies the potential for rebuilding bridges through intentional, empathetic strategies that prioritize connection over control. Experts advocate shifting from authoritarian monitoring to collaborative digital mentorship, where parents actively engage with their teens' online interests, validate feelings without immediate judgment, and co-create family media plans aligned with shared values. Open, non-confrontational tech talks scheduled regularly, perhaps weekly, can foster honest discussions about digital safety, boundaries, privacy, and the emotional realities of online life, transforming technology from a battleground into a shared learning space. Modeling healthy habits by putting devices away during meals, engaging in device-free activities like outdoor adventures or board games, and demonstrating vulnerability by sharing one's own tech struggles can rebuild trust organically. Rebuilding requires patience, active listening, and a willingness to learn alongside teens rather than dictate from above. Reflective listening techniques, such as summarizing a teen's frustrations about school pressures or social dynamics before offering advice, signal respect and reduce defensiveness. Co-authoring family agreements on screen time, curfews, and responsibilities empowers teens with growing autonomy tied to demonstrated responsibility, balancing protection with independence. Incorporating shared positive tech experiences, playing a multiplayer game together, exploring an educational AI tool as a duo, or reviewing memes to bridge symbolic gaps can inject fun and common ground into the relationship. Mental health professionals emphasize creating calm, intentional homes where presence trumps perfection, replacing screen time mandates with scene time focused on genuine emotional availability. Parents who invest in understanding evolving platforms, discuss AI's role in content creation and social interactions, and prioritize in-person bonding, report stronger connections and teens more willing to seek guidance during online dilemmas. Ultimately, in 2026, overcoming parent-teen communication breakdowns demands recognizing technology not as the enemy, but as a powerful force requiring mindful navigation. By addressing technology gaps through mutual education, healing trust issues via consistent empathy and transparency, and proactively rebuilding bridges with shared rituals, collaborative rules, and heartfelt conversations, families can forge resilient bonds that withstand digital disruptions. This journey is not about eliminating screens, but about reclaiming human connection in a world where algorithms compete for attention. Success lies in curiosity over criticism, partnership over policing, and the timeless truth that teens, despite their digital fluency, still crave the unconditional understanding and guidance only attuned parents can provide. Through these efforts, the silence can transform into dialogue, isolation into intimacy, and generational divides into opportunities for deeper, more authentic relationships that equip the next generation to thrive both online and off. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe the channel for more issues raising about the teens.